Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the A sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the long A sound. Can you make the A sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth halfway. Then, stretch the sides of your lips like this. To finish, make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. A. A. Now let's practice a few words with the A sound. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? 8. Cake. Train. Yesterday. The A sound can be spelled with the letters EI as in 8, A as in cake, AI as in train, or AY as in yesterday. Great job! Well done! Ellii.